Here at Douglas, no, I'm here at Broadway Avenue and Main Street.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Wait, traveling north.
We got north right here.
Main Street. Walk sign is on to cross Main Street.
You know, that one's quick. You know, yeah, this one does not work. The crosswalk button's actually not working. And yes, this one right here has 20 seconds. But the one in Douglas Avenue and Beltree, no, Douglas Avenue and Main Street, the intersection right behind me has like 10 seconds. Like, that's strange. They should be like, have different numbers and stuff. Like, weird. And I'm waiting, starts in action, but yes, this one needs to be replaced, I think. I don't know what's wrong with that. And yeah, somebody like actually tampered with the button, I think. I don't know who did it, but yeah. Almost. Dude, we're gonna wait we're gonna wait until it's time to cross. Ready? So there we go.
Thirteen, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, I think that's all of this video.